This 5G kit is used for office and home, shops and factory. This is like you can use this Wi-Fi Spectra kit, Wi-Fi Spectra kit, that is Wi-Fi CCTV Spectra kit. You can coverage up to 10 to 15 distance, 10 to 15 meter distance, covering the area to this area. It connected via intranet function. Inbuilt Wi-Fi kit is available, which is communicating with the cameras and the DVR, and it gives the signal for this both. So, okay, this is the DVR which is used for office, home, shops, factory. This Wi-Fi CCTV camera kit Spectra series is having a DVR camera, 4 camera, control, communication control, Wi-Fi router kit, and the cables, adapters, everything is available. Okay. One camera is here, second camera is on the top. You can see that second camera is on the top, and third camera is here inside. Third camera, and the fourth camera is on the top. Fourth camera is on the top. Okay, so total 4 camera.